Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to broadcast a WhatsApp message for your beauty salon. For example, you have a beauty salon and you want to share your offers to your multiple users at once. Sending each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very hectic task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a broadcast message in where at first step we will create a message template, then create a broadcast message. After that, we will schedule that message. You can also schedule your message for later as well as send instantly. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So before starting the video of how to broadcast a WhatsApp message for your beauty salon, Welcome to my screen. So before starting the video of how to broadcast a message for your beauty salon business, let me give you a quick review about how your broadcast message will deliver to your predefined list of contacts. Like this. See, hello from Radiance Beauty Salon, also providing me the exclusive offers and two options, that is salon location and callers. So if you want to send this type of WhatsApp broadcast message to your multiple users at once, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in the sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a broadcast message for our skincare clinic, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. Here you can also add multiple folders and in this home section you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account with the help of this button, that is plus add WhatsApp number. If you are click on this, then you can see it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number or verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. The next one is the Inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and you can respond them here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the Contacts, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contact who interacted with your bot and also see contact details, create segments, tag users, etc. The fourth one is the team queues, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once. The seventh one is the flow, where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, where you can see all the records of the actions and events you have performed within the last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings and the 11th one is the get help. As we are creating a broadcast message for our skincare clinic, so I am clicking on this broadcast button. Here you can see this is the page where you can create a broadcast message for your different types of businesses. When you want to easily send a WhatsApp message to a predefined list of contacts, it is only possible with the help of broadcast. It is perfect for announcement and promotions. As we are creating a new broadcast, so I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. So this is the page where we can create a broadcast message for our users. For that, I am selecting the broadcast type as broadcast campaign. The name I'll provide as broadcast message for beauty salon. After that, I am selecting the contact list as all unassigned contact. You can add your multiple contact list and select this from here. After that, you can see it will provide you two message types, that is pre-approved template message and regular message. Here I am creating this broadcast message with pre-approved template message. For that, I am selecting the WhatsApp template as beauty salon. I already created this template before. Here I am selecting this. In this video, I am also going to teach you how you can create this template into your Pabbly Chatflow account. For that, you have to click on this template option and go with this template list. Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple templates for your different type of users. As we are creating a new template, so I am clicking on this plus add template button, in where you can easily create a new templates which suit your requirements. So I am selecting the template category as marketing. The name I'll provide as beauty salon. Here you can also read the instruction of writing your template name. After that, I am selecting the language as English. You can see it will provide you multiple languages. Here I selected, then it will provide you types of templates, that is text, image, video, document, location, etc. You can also write header in this template header box. It is optional, and the format of the template you can write in this box. Here I write it. You can see it will provide you one example of the template that they will go to your users. Here I also use this asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my users in the bold format like this. After that, you can also write footer in this box. I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. Then you can see it will provide you interactive actions, that is none, call to actions, quick replies and all. So I'll choose in this quick replies. Here I am providing them two quick replies. Here I write it. Now our template is completed. After that, you have to click on this submit button. Within few minutes, you can see your templates will be approved. Now we will get back to our broadcast. So here I'll select the template. After that, you have to write the username in this box. So I am writing as test user. Here I write it, also writing the contact number in this box. Here I write it. Now in this next, you can see it will provide you two schedule types, that is scheduled for later or no send instantly. You can also schedule this message for later as well as send instantly. I am choosing this. After that, I am going to send one test message in my WhatsApp account. Here I am sending a message. You can see I have received this broadcast message including two buttons, that is Salon location and call us. After that, you have to click on this button, add broadcast button. So this is how your broadcast message will deliver to your multiple users by single click. It is only possible with this broadcast feature that are available in this Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.